Okay, now this is we left here in the previous lesson mounting the scanner. So the scanner is mounted. Now we remember we have to apply the power. So generally remember this is the power supply, the cable. It goes here, and what I do generally I put a power strip attached to the scanner. It would be like this, and remember the power supply should be here in the middle, because when this head will move until here and until here, basically you can imagine the power cable should have space to move from here to here. Okay, so here there is enough, it's fine, this is a position. Okay, then we go here. Then another thing is the USB cable. The system comes with this 1.5 meter cable, USB cable, so that's enough to plug your laptop and put it on a close by laptop. Okay, at this point what we need is to check that the system is working. So we go back on the computer, we plug the USB cable from the scanner, and we want to install the software. At this point, to install the software, we go on the CHSOS website. We go into training programs, online courses, course Archimedes Scanner for Art. We click here, and we are presented with the course, and we look for software and downloads. We double click on it. The page is open, and from here we can download the software. So we double click on this title, software download, and the download starts immediately. So I download it on my desktop, so there it is. So you're gonna find this folder, panel HUD control panel. You have to unzip it, extract all, okay, that's it. And the folder, okay, let's put is here, the unzipped folder, so we can delete the other one. And inside this folder, these are the files of the program. There is the panel head control panel.exe executable file. So this is the program that you have to double click. So generally what I suggest to do is to create a link on the desktop, for example over here, so you can close this folder, and the only things you need to do is to double click over here. Windows sees that this is an executable file, so ask you if you are double sure that this is safe for your computer. It's safe, so you go here in run anyway, and this is the software. So you see at the beginning there is that line, that timeline scrolling. If the system is recognized, so the hardware of the scanner is communicating with the laptop, you will see just this screenshot, that these windows over here. Okay, so just to double check it is working, you can press on these arrows, and the system will move left and right. Okay, so it's working. I check the motors, I see they are moving, okay, up and down. First of all, this system, to have the orientation of the system, is like this. So when we say up means that direction if the scanner is in this position, and in particular we have to look here on the top. So basically the idea is we put the camera, so when this camera or any other digital camera, they have on the bottom there is the adapter for the tripod. So this is the adapter is here, so we can just plug the camera. Okay, there it is. Can have a little bit higher. Okay, just plug it. So the idea is this is the upper part in this direction, down, and then we have the left and the right. So it's like we are looking at the camera on the front, so we have up, down, left and right. So basically from here, so this would be the orientation, so it's much easier than to collect the picture. Okay, so the software is installed. Now we have to set it up in order to make our first scanning acquisition.